If you want your WordPress site to look professional and instantly recognizable in browser tabs, or better yet, show off your branding in Google search results, you need a favicon. That tiny icon might seem small, but it plays a big part in first impressions and brand consistency. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through manually adding a favicon to your WordPress site, and I'll give you tips to help it show up the right way in Google search results. By the end, your site will not only look sharper and more polished, but you'll also know how to meet Google's guidelines for maximum visibility. Let's start with the standard WordPress method, which I always recommend. Since version 4.3, WordPress has made things much easier thanks to the built-in site icon feature. Forget the old complicated coding, there's now a simple, user-friendly workflow. First, from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance and then Customize. This opens up the Customizer, which is where you can control many visual elements of your site. Take a breath here and explore if you like, but our focus today is on favicon, so click into the Site Identity tab. This is like your site's driver's license. It handles your name, tagline, and most importantly, the icon that browsers and search engines will display. Scroll down a little until you find the Site Icon section. Now here, where the magic happens, click Select Site Icon and upload the image you want to use. The best practice is to use a square image. This part is crucial because browsers and Google expect a 1:1 ratio and anything else can get awkwardly cropped or might not display at all. I always recommend an image size of at least 512 x 512 pixels. This gives you a crisp look on Retina displays and high-res devices and keeps your site looking sharp whether it's on a desktop, tablet, or phone. For the image format, go with PNG if you need transparency, say, to show off a logo with soft edges, or SVG for scalable vector graphics, which stay razor-sharp at any size. Upload your chosen icon, make sure it looks good in the preview, and when you're happy, just click Publish. In a few seconds, your favicon is live. Don't worry if you don't see it in your browser right away. Sometimes it takes a refresh or two or clearing your cache, but it'll be there. Now, how do you make sure your favicon appears next to your site name in Google search results? Google has its own strict guidelines, so let's cover these important points. First off, your favicon must be a perfect square. Even if your icon looks okay in browsers, Google's system will trim down anything that isn't a true 1:1 ratio. The absolute minimum size Google accepts is 8 x 8 pixels, but honestly, you'll want at least 48 x 48 pixels or bigger, 96 x 96 or 144 x 144 if you want maximum visibility, since higher resolution stands out on all devices. Another important tip, check your robots.txt file. There may be rules blocking Googlebot image from crawling your favicon's URL. If Google can't see your icon, it won't display it in search. You might need to ask your host or use a plugin to check your robots.txt and make sure Google has access. To speed things up, use Google Search Console's URL inspection tool. Go to your homepage, paste the URL, and click Request Indexing. This tells Google to check your site again for updates, including your new favicon. And here's a little pro tip: if after a few days you don't see your favicon showing up in search results, try clearing both your site and your browser's cache. Sometimes those old images can stick around longer than you'd like, but a quick cache clear often solves the problem. That's it. You should now see your unique favicon proudly displayed in both browser tabs and Google results, enhancing your site's branding across the web. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop any questions or experiences in the comments below. And if you want more easy, practical WordPress tips, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.